Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into account. Microsoft. Com with the Microsoft account linked to your Xbox. Once signed in, open rewards to verify your point balance and eligibility. This matters because redemption options depend on region and account age. Make sure your Xbox or console shares the same region setting. Next, choose the gift card denomination offered for points and select Redeem. Pause only to confirm your email address and gamer tag, so the credit applies to the right account. Once in the rewards catalog, find the Xbox gift card entry and pick the denomination you need. Points to dollar ratios vary, so check the cost before confirming. After selecting, click Redeem and follow on-screen prompts to verify delivery method, email, or direct code display. The system shows a confirmation with expected delivery time. Screenshot that confirmation. If you want the code on your console, open the Xbox store and use the Redeem Code option to apply credit immediately. Now apply the code on your Xbox. Go to Store Redeem or visit Microsoft.com/redeem and paste the code. Press Confirm and the credit appears instantly if matched. If the code fails, double-check that your console region and Microsoft account region match the gift card region and that you copied characters exactly. If problems persist, use the rewards confirmation screenshot and contact Microsoft support. Provide the redemption receipt and timestamp to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.